I've been here for so long because of the family type environment it is, not just with the sales force, but the whole dealership. And also with the customers. And it's transferred from the owners on down. One thing I like about our ownership and our leadership is you can go talk to them at any time. And we value keeping our customers happy, treating them fairly and keeping them happy and bringing them back. And that's one of the things that I like about this, working here than anyone else.
I enjoy it very, very much. I enjoy all the people here, all the employees, the customers. Everyone makes me feel at home. So I have really good days every day. If I knew someone who was considering employment here at Honda of the Avenues, I would definitely recommend or refer them because it is a great place to work. The environment is lovely.
That's the part of the business I like the most is helping someone find the perfect scenario. I don't care if it takes 5 or 10 appointments. I just had a young lady on Saturday. It was her 6th appointment, and she walked out of here with the biggest grin on her face. And that's what it is to me. Is yeah, you're making a living and everything, but you're really helping an individual change their life. And I guarantee that person will be back in the future to see me.
I enjoy working for the people I work for, and I respect them a lot. And I think that's very important no matter where you're at.